Savastika, foodies. Today, we are immersing ourselves in the flavors of Thailand with an alluring shrimp pad thai. Picture succulent shrimp, tangled noodles, and an irresistible tamarind-infused sauce. It's a Thai culinary delight you won't be able to resist. I'm your Quirky Quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this alluring and delicious adventure. Before we embark on this Thai journey, let's gather our vibrant ingredients. Ten jumbo shrimp deveined and peeled. 115 grams dried thin flat rice noodles. 116 grams firm tofu cubed. 2 eggs. 1 1/4 cup bean sprouts. 3/4 cup garlic chives chopped into 1-inch length. 1/2 shallot chopped. 1 clove garlic roughly minced. 3 tablespoon vegetable oil. To make the sauce: 3 tablespoon palm sugar. 1.5 tablespoon fish sauce. 3 tablespoon water. Tamarind concentrate for sauce. 60 grams tamarind pulp. 1/3 cup hot boiling water. To garnish, optional: 1/2 lime. 1/4 cup peanuts crushed. 2-3 tablespoon water if needed to help cook noodles. Finely chop palm sugar. To make your tamarind concentrate, submerge tamarind pulp in 1/3 cup hot boiling water. Allow for it to cool and then with your hands, squeeze and massage the pulp as best you can, until it dissolves in the water. Strain as much as the tamarind liquid through a fine sieve and discard the hard bits and seeds, reserving the liquid which is now your tamarind concentrate. Combine tamarind concentrate, fish sauce, palm sugar and water until sugar has dissolved. Set aside. Soak your rice noodles in hot boiling water for 2 minutes, no more, until limp and strain immediately. Set aside. In a wok over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon oil and your shrimp. Only fry until 50% cooked. Remove from heat and set aside. Add another 1 tablespoon of oil to a wok. Fry shallots and garlic for 10 seconds. Add firm tofu and cook for 20-30 seconds. Toss in rice noodles and sauce, mixing everything together for 2-3 minutes. Taste your noodles to see if they're chewy at this point. If not, add 2-3 tablespoons of water to help cook them until they are. Add shrimp, then push everything to the side. In the empty space of wok, add the eggs, scramble them first and then mix in with noodles. Mix in bean sprouts and garlic chives for 10-20 seconds. Remove off heat. Garnish with a handful of bean sprouts, chopped green onions, and a sprinkle of crushed peanuts for that authentic pad thai crunch. And there you have it, alluring shrimp pad thai, a Thai culinary delight ready to transport your taste buds. If you're ready to bring the allure of Thai flavors to your kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more global recipes. Enjoy this alluring and delicious journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!